172,
They invited me to a
100.
party. They invited me to a party.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, can you join? And Dylan, go ahead and... Are you on your backup connection, Dylan? Dylan. Answer me, Dylan.
I'm not. Give me a second.
Fucking, oh my god, dude. Okay, yeah, wait a second, Midnight. We're gonna get fucking prepped. I'm gonna get the recording software ready, dude. And we're just gonna join and just be fucking dicks and just bully the shit out of these kids while they try to hit us off and fail.
Who is it?
The Valor
Let me know
Clan.
how it works out.
Yeah.
Oh.
How long
Jesus.
How long do you think it's gonna take for them to kick us because they're not able to hit us offline? I'm saying 5 minutes. I'm calling 5 minutes.
Yeah, I was thinking of 4.
They're gonna kick us from the party
least
because they
3.
can't do shit to our connection.
At least 3.
At least 3.
Yeah.
So, Hydra, how's it going with the finding of the map?
Alright, here we go.
It's all
Get ready.
desert, dog.
Buddy. Why you ignoring me, Sackboy? Why you ignoring me, man? What's up with that, dude?
Sackboy.
You leave me on
Yes,
red
my
because you're
man.
scared? What's up with that, buddy?
Stuttering. Because you're ignoring me when I was at
Bro,
work.
Whoa,
I
you sound like a
said,
fucking
"Hey,
faggot, my guy. Holy shit.
I'm a faggot. Did you look at yourself?
You
You're
sound like a fucking
fuck?
faggot, dude.
I'm a faggot.
Is this
Bro, where are
Oh,
your fucking
I
nuts,
just-
my guy? Where are your fucking nuts, my guy?
Where are my nuts?
Where are your fucking nuts, my guy? They're like inside your fucking body, dude. Or you just don't have any. Why are you so feminine? Why do you sound like a single mom? You sound like a fucking soccer mom. Straight up, dude. I expected you to
Sorry.
at least sound like
Not listening.
masculine.
I'm playing Bop It. I'm playing Bop It. What do you think?
Did they kick you too? Did they kick you too? Oh my fucking god, what a joke. I just recorded that. I literally just recorded that. Hold on, we'll get Dylan in here too. Oh my god, what a fucking joke. Really? Those are the Valor guys? Those are the fucking guys that everyone's scared of because they DDoS. Oh, they're DDoSers. Oh my god.
You guys get kicked.
Yeah, I got kicked.
I'm on bonus round.
I couldn't even join because it's on invite only.
God.
I
Alright.
was just playing. I'm still playing Bop It.
You're still
Oh,
playing.
they invited me back. They invited me back.
Invite us.
They invited me back.
Invite us. Invite us. Invite
Invite
us.
me, invite me, invite me.
Oh my god, what a fucking joke.
59 points. No, win. 6 points. Ding, ding, ding.
Bro, what's up with that? You kicked us because you couldn't hit us offline, bro? Boot me. Hit me offline, faggot. Hit me offline, faggot. Stop crying. Shut the fuck up. You're gay.
What the?
Shut the fuck up. You're gay. You're literally gay. You probably smell like string cheese. You probably have 2 dads. You probably have 2 dads. Shut the fuck up.
Dude, they talk all this shit to lose.
Bro, you sound fat. You got a neck beard? You got a neck beard? You got a fucking neck beard, my guy?
Samidus, have you seen yourself, bro? Have you looked in the mirror? Dog?
What do you expect? No, I don't know how to use mirrors. Buddy, sorry bro. I don't know how to use mirrors. Why are you gay? Why are you gay? Why don't you suck my nuts? You wanna suck my nuts? You wanna suck my nuts? You wanna suck my nuts? You like nuts? You like nuts? Hit me offline. Big bad Valor Clan out here DDoSing and winning raids. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You're gay. You're literally gay.
Boots and Valor.
You're literally gay.
Boots and Valor.
It was a
Boots and
joke
Valor,
that
come
I
on.
made.
Dude,
Nobody
fucking
boots.
literally you were trying to pull IPs yesterday. You're trying to pull IPs yesterday. Yes, you were. Don't cap, buddy. Don't cap, buddy. Don't cap, buddy. Listen, my guy, listen. Why are you kicking people? Hit me off right now. Where's your fucking leader at?
Didn't I clap your clan last time I went to work with you guys? Before you guys.
2 years ago.
Bro, where's the king of the dipshits? Where the fuck is that one Fertilizer? What's his name? Griffinizer?
Do you want to do a 1v1?
Where's the king of the dipshits at?
Shut up.
Where's the king of the dipshits at?
1v1.
Yo, North.
Oh, 1v1 me, bro. 1v1 me, bro.
Tomatoes.
Why are you kicking people from the game? Why are you kicking people? Why are you kicking people? Why are you kicking people?
Tomatoes. How much
Huh?
is your
You
rent?
can't handle.
Tomatoes, how
So
much is your
you
rent?
three can't handle
How
me
much is
by
your
myself. So you gotta
rent?
kick everyone
How much is
else.
your rent?
That's kind of
How
sad.
much is
We
your
all
That's
rent?
kind of sad.
Answer
Kind
my
of sad.
question. Answer my question.
Answer my question.
Answer my question.
Okay, how about you answer my question? You wanna suck my nuts? You wanna suck my nuts?
Oh.
You wanna suck my nuts?
Go in the give.
You wanna
Go in the
suck my
give.
nuts?
Go in the give.
1v1 me.
Would watch
1v1
your
me.
friend,
One.
would
How about you go outside? You wanna get up out of your fucking couch and get your hand out of the Cheeto bag? Stop kicking.
Wait,
Stop
why are
kicking
they-
my friends, cause
why-
you
why
can't
am I
handle me
getting-
when I'm by
why am I
myself.
getting kicked?
Yo. Did they kick you guys?
Fucking
Did they kick you guys?
They kicked
Yeah.
you.
I wasn't
Yeah,
even
they kicked
connected
Dylan,
to
I
kick
just-
me.
I just said, yo, mommy, and they kicked
Oh
me.
my god.
I think they kicked me as well.
Oh, what a fucking
I'm going
joke.
crazy on Baka
Dude,
right
they
now.
sound like a bunch of fucking losers.
They are, dude. Oh my god. That was.
About their clan. They go around. No, listen. They go around saying that our clan is shit and stuff like that. But guess what? Those their members, their quote unquote comp players, came from Wolf Legion. When we went to war with them 2 years ago, we clapped them most of the time
Yeah.
because of the fact that they were
Bro,
comp players.
they
And now
literally.
they're talking all that shit.
They literally asked me to 1v1, unironically. They actually asked me to 1v1, dude. They're like, 1v1 me. Go join the game, 1v1 me. I'm just like, what the fuck are you on? 1v1 me, 1v1 me. Get off your fucking couch. Oh my god. I hope they invite Midnight again so she can pull us back in, dude. All three of them together were having a really hard time trying to fucking argue with me, bro. Like, they were struggling so hard.
One of them said we got kicked because your diss track is ass. Or something.
Diss track? Diss
I don't
track?
know. That's what they said.
Dylan's still playing Bop It. Please, oh my god. What an amazing big bad clan we have in the Halo community, huh? Shit. It's funny, it's hilarious because I'm pretty sure they kept me in the party.
Because you're fucking retarded.
I think because they were kicking you guys, they kept me in the party for a while. I think they did try to pull my IP and hit me off. Otherwise, they would have just kept kicking me like they were kicking you guys. But they kept me in the party for a while to talk shit, and I just kept fucking memeing on them. Valor, right? Literally hides from the House of Cards. Like a little fucking bitch, right? I keep sending them messages like, yeah, let's fucking talk. And I send them party invites, and they dodge me and they hide because they're fucking scared, right? And then when we're in the party, they can't even fucking stick up for themselves and they get absolutely shit on. And then fail to hit me offline. Congratulate. Valor's such a good fucking clan, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm just trying
One
to
of the most
play
reputable
Baka,
clans
man.
on Reach. Oh my, this is so fucking pathetic. It's so pathetic.